Downpour in Texas. I don't know if you can see that or not. You probably can. But yeah, this is what rain's like in Texas. Let me see. See if I can get.
Here, do it down the.
What's that? Over there? Oh yeah, there we go. That's pretty good. 5 minutes of rain falling in Texas. Oh, whoa. Yeah, you see that? Oh, you know what? Tell you what. All right. That was pretty crazy. Oh, yeah.
Safe to be in here?
Yes, it's very safe. Actually, being in a car is one of the safer spots because it's grounded, because it's got rubber tires. Oh, look at that. I think I'm just going to record 5 minutes of this storm. It's crazy. Let me do a 0.5. Oh, it changed the. Oh.
There's like a night mode.
Hey. Turned. Well, let's see.
Oh, that might be better because then you can see the lightning.
Oh, that's kind of true, huh? Got my boy Tanner. Okay, let's see. Oh, yeah, there we go. Let's see. Maybe this will brighten it up a bit. Yeah, okay. I learned a lesson. You can't really change the lens. Why is it? Come on, focus. There we go. Now we got it back. Has it been raining like this since I've been gone?
Nope.
This is the biggest one?
Oh yeah. Sure, the biggest.
Yeah, it's crazy.
And it's gonna be raining this whole week.
This whole week?
Yeah.
Seriously? Got a baseball tournament this weekend.
Well, I mean, there was the snowstorm when you were gone.
Oh yeah, the snowstorm, but not this rain. This rain's nuts, huh?
I wish this was all snow.
Oh, that'd be great.
Man, imagine how much snow that would be. Imagine how much snow that would be there.
It would be a lot. Got somebody pulling up here. Whoa, yeah, look at all that water. Woo!
That is a lot of water.
Let's see if I can see the street. Oh yeah, look at the street. Oh, where is it? That was a big one. Ooh-wee. Don't see any streaks of lightning, but lightning bolts. Yeah, no bolts are up high. Ooh, maybe they're behind us now. Maybe they're moving over there. No, I don't want that. I want to focus on the outside. Well, this has been fun, sitting here, hanging out with my boy. Oh, looks like it's Tanner. Might be time for us to go inside.
Why?
Because you hear it's not like pouring rain.
Oh yeah, we gotta go.
I think hold on. We gotta open up that garage. Woo-wee. All right, you ready? Oh, wait, I gotta make sure it's off.
Oh, it's slowing down even more.
Perfection.
Started at the perfect time. Stop it at exactly 5 minutes.
That's exactly 5? Okay.
3, 2, 1, bye.